Hi guys, welcome to Cup of Teach, and today we are going to discuss about angles, parts, and measurement. So, what is an angle? If two rays have the same endpoint but do not lie on the same line, then their union is an angle. The two rays are called its sides, and their common endpoint is called its vertex. So, I have here an example of an angle. Okay, so as you can see, we have here one ray and then another ray, then they have a common endpoint. Okay, yung common endpoint ay tinatawag natin na vertex, and then yung dalawang ray natin ay tinatawag na side. Okay, so ang angle ay meron dalawang side. Another example, okay, so here we have the vertex, which is the endpoint of, or which is the common endpoint of the two rays. And then yung rays na yon ay tinatawag natin na side. So, how do we name an angle? So, for example, we are going to name this angle right here. Para mapangalanan natin yan, we have to identify these two. Okay? Yung vertex at saka yung sides. Tapos, malalaman na natin yung name. So, yung first one, we have to identify the vertex. So, sabi natin yung vertex is the common endpoint. So, alin ba yung common endpoint dito sa tatlong point na meron tayo? Is it C? Is it B? Or A? So, alin yung common endpoint dun sa tatlong point? Okay, so the common endpoint here is A. So, yun yung ating vertex. Now, how about the sides of the angle? So, yung sides ng angle, yung dalawa niyang ray. So, yung dalawang ray yung isasagot natin. So, the first ray that we have here is this one. So, what do you call this ray? This ray is called ray AB. How about the other ray? Ito yon. Okay? So, ang tawag dyan sa ray na yan is ray AC. So, that is the two sides of our angle. Now, what is the name of our angle? So, para mapangalanan natin yung angle natin, we have to take note of the vertex and then the sides. Okay? So, as you can see, our vertex A ay dalawang beses na ulit doon sa ating sides. So, we have A here, tapos may A din dito. So, dahil yun yung ating vertex, yung pangalan ng ating angle, nasa gitna yung vertex. So, you can call this angle as angle CAB. This parang V na nakahiga, okay, this symbol is the symbol for angle. Okay, so kapag nagpapangalan tayo ng angle, kailangan nakasulat yan. So, we name this angle, angle CAB. Okay, CAB. As you notice, the vertex is nasa gitna. Okay? Pwede rin naman natin pangalanan siya na angle BAC. So, as you can see, nasa gitna pa rin yung ating vertex. Okay? BAC. Pareho lang. So, it's either CAB o kaya naman BAC. As long as nasa gitna yung ating vertex na A. Now, there is another name for this angle. So, you can just simply call it angle A. Because, meron lamang tayong iisang angle dito sa vertex A. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang tawaging CAB. Pwede natin siyang tawaging BAC. Or pwede rin naman simple na angle A lang. Next. Let's have another example. Okay. So, we have this angle. Question. Is angle BAF the same with angle BAE? Okay? So, yun yung question. Is this angle BAF the same with angle BAE? Okay. The answer is yes. Pareho lang siya. Because si ray AF here, okay? So, we have here ray AF. Is also the same as AE. So, si AF dito, hanggang dito lang. Pag in-extend natin si ray AF, mapupunta siya doon hanggang kay E. Kaya pareho lang sila, ni ray AF at saka ni ray AE. Ganon din naman si AB, si ray AB here. Okay, ito yung ating ray AB, hanggang dito lang. But if we extend our ray, okay, mapupunta siya hanggang kay C. Kaya pareho lang sila. So, itong angle na to ay pwede rin natin pangalanan na angle CAE. So, angle CAE. Okay, pwede din yan. Pwede rin naman na angle CAF. Okay? Pwede rin naman angle BAE. Pwede rin naman na angle BAF. Or, pwede rin, dahil nag-iisang angle lang siya sa vertex A, pwede natin siyang tawagin din na angle A. Okay? Next. We have here this angle. Okay? We have here this angle, and these are the questions for this angle. Let us name 3 different angles with vertex G in the figure. So, ang kailangan natin ay yung merong vertex G. So, ito yung vertex G. Okay? So, ano-ano daw yung angle na may vertex G? So, the first one is angle HGI. HGI. Okay? HGI. Next, we have angle IGJ. IGJ. And lastly, we have angle HGJ. 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 Okay, so yan yung ating tatlong angles na meron dito. Now, next question. Can we name HGJ as angle G? Pwede ba yon? Kasi kanina, yung mga example natin, pwedeng tawagin lang na angle A. Eh, dito sa example na to, pwede kayang si HGJ ay tawagin na lang na angle G. Okay, so in this case, we cannot call it angle G. Bakit? Because there are multiple angles that have G as their vertex. So, pag sinabi mong angle G, magkakalituhan tayo kung anong angle ba yung tinutukoy mo. Anong angle ba yan? HGI ba? IGJ ba? O yung HGJ? Kasi, marami tayong angle doon sa vertex G. Kaya, hindi natin siya pa pwedeng tawagin na angle G. Yung angle lang na pwede mong tawagin gamit yung kanyang vertex ay yung angle na nag-iisa lang doon sa vertex na yon. Pero pag marami, hindi po pwede. Next question. What does 1 and 2 mean in the figure? So, we have here 1 and 2. So, ano daw ibig sabihin niyang 1 and 2 dyan? Okay? So, a number can be used to name an angle. So, kapag number pa pwede natin gamitin for just a shortcut. So, in this example, you can name angle 1. Ito yung angle 1 natin. Okay, this is angle 1. We can use angle 1 to name HGI. And then, yung angle 2 naman, here, which is here, angle 2, pwede mong gamitin to name IGJ. So, ito lang yung angle 2. Ito naman yung angle 1. So, you can use it for a substitute para hindi mo na isusulat yung name ng angle in 3 points. What are the different parts of an angle? Okay? So, an angle separates a plane into 3 distinct set of points. So, meron tayong tinatawag na interior points of the angle. Meron tayong tinatawag na exterior points of the angle. And yung pangatlo, we have the points on the angle itself. Okay. So, let us enumerate the parts of the angle. So, tatlo yan. Interior, exterior, and points on the angle. Pag sinabi nating interior points, ito yung mga points na makikita sa loob ng angle. if this is your angle CAB, okay? If this is your angle CAB, ano yung mga points inside or on the interior of the angle? So, yun nasa loob ng angle, which is points E and G. Now, how about the exterior? Ang exterior naman yung nasa labas. If this is your angle CAB, okay, ano yung mga points sa labas? So, ang point lang natin sa labas is dalawa, F and H. So, that is point F and H. And then, lastly, we have points on the angle or yung nandun mismo sa angle. So, we have here angle CAB. Okay? This is your angle CAB. Ano-ano yung mga points on the angle? So, we have points C, A, and B. Okay? So, those are the three parts of an angle. Next, measuring an angle. So, how do we measure an angle? What are we going to use? So, have you seen this anywhere? Sa mga national bookstore, ganon? Okay? So, this instrument is called a protractor and it is used to measure an angle. So, if you can see, there are two sets of numbers sa ating protractor. Meron tayong number na nasa taas, okay, which starts, nandun siya sa left nag-i-start, nag-start siya sa 0. And then, yung kabilang number naman, yung nasa baba, nag-i-start siya sa right. Yun yung man yung 0 niya. Because, there are some angles na nag-start na nakaharap sa left, nakaharap sa right. So, para mas madali natin siyang ma-measure. So, pag mag-measure tayo ng angle, I'm going to teach you on the other video para mas madali. Okay? So, yan. This is how a protractor looks like. And then, may mga lines siya as guide para mas madali tayong makapag-measure ng angle. And the unit of measurement ng isang angle ay tinatawag nating degrees. Okay? And yung symbol niya is yung parang maliit lang na bilog. And the number of degrees in an angle is called its measure. So, kapag sinukat nyo siya, nakuha nyo na yung angle, then that is the measure of the angle. So, I'm going to teach you how to measure an angle using a protractor on the next video. Okay? Next is we have the classification of angles. So, we have three types of angles. And the first one is this kind of angle. So, ano kaya yung tawag sa angle na yan? Okay? This angle is what we call a right angle. So, every angle with 90 degrees measure is called a right angle. So, we have this figure here, and it is a right angle. So, we have angle RST. Okay? And it is a right angle. So, si angle RST is 90 degrees. So, kapag meron kayong right angle, automatic, the measurement is 90 degrees. The symbol, okay, yung parang pa-square, okay, so this symbol in the right angle indicates that the measure of the angle is 90 degrees. So, kahit nawala ito, pag nawala itong 90 na to, kahit hindi yan nakalagay dyan, as long as you have this symbol, itong parang pa-square, it is an indicator na it is a right angle. Automatic 90 degrees siya. So, kahit na wala yung nakalagay na 90 degrees, alam nyo na yung sukat niya is 90 degrees. So, that is what you call a right angle. Next. Now, let's move on to the next type of angle. Okay? An angle whose measure is greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Okay? So, we have here angle XYZ, and it is an acute angle. Because XYZ or angle XYZ is equal to 30 degrees. And 30 degrees is more than 0, but less than 90. Kaya siya isang acute angle. Okay? So, kapag dumating na siya sa 90 degrees, that is what you call a right angle na hindi na siya acute. Next, what is the third? Okay, the last type of angle that we have is what we call an obtuse angle. And an obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Okay? So we have here angle POW is an obtuse angle. Because angle POW is equal to 120 degrees. And 120 degrees is greater than 90 but less than 180. That is why it is an obtuse angle.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!